It's the sound that parents dread, a deep barking cough that signals whooping cough. News 4's Dr. Peter Ostro warns there's been a serious case this summer right here in western New York.
Brianna Haig is recovering from pertussis, commonly called whooping cough. It started as a minor cough, but then it got much worse.
She was coughing more, and she was starting to turn a little dusky, or just a little purpley around the mouth and the nose.
She's spent 2 weeks in Women and Children's Hospital, including a week in the ICU. Her pediatricians have seen more cases than usual this year.
Every couple years there's a little flurry and we get minor outbreaks. This one worried me a little bit more because of what's happening across the country.
The worst outbreak is in California, but 18 other states have had more cases of pertussis already this year than they had in all of last year. So has upstate New York, primarily in the Syracuse area. Most cases don't need hospitalization, but whooping cough can be serious.
Sometimes there's a perception in today's world or with today's medicine that if babies get sick that we can save them, and sometimes we can't.
7 kids have died in California. We can protect kids by vaccinating them and their parents and grandparents. Brianna was too young to be vaccinated. She probably caught it from her father.
He's a teacher, and he ended the school year with what we thought was just a little bit of a cold, and he's had a nagging cough that went on for a number of weeks.
Kids need a series of 5 vaccinations, and adults need boosters.
We had no idea there was a pertussis vaccine for adults.
Their protection wears off. So it's very important for middle school, high school kids, young adults, and adult caregivers of babies to get a pertussis booster.
Pertussis is an uncommon disease thanks to vaccinations. And some people have developed a false sense of security about the need for vaccination and maybe even a fear that vaccine side effects could be harmful. But the vaccine is safe and it works. And even adults should be vaccinated to protect kids. And little Brianna went home from the hospital.
That's good news. Now that's the good news there. Thank you, doctor.